Hi there, Jimmy here from the Onside support team, bringing you another quick video, this time around visited properties. So visited properties is a feature under our Onside team subscription, so you will need that subscription to have access to this tab. And you'll also need to have a team set up here for your staff to then be able to check into these visited properties. So visited properties, obviously on the left here we've got the property names and the addresses, and then a few other things to cover off. So property status, we've got unclaimed and claimed. Claimed is basically an Onside user is managing this property on Onside. Anyone can check into it that uses the app, and then there's also the information that they've put into the property as well to make visible to anyone that's checking in. And that's this person here. Company contact, when you're creating a visited property, you can put a company contact, and that's so that when your staff check in, they have the option of sending a text message straight through to that person to say, I've checked in from this company. I expect to leave at this time. If you need me, this is my number. So a point of contact. And if there is no phone number present, like this one here, it'll send an email with that information instead. So that's the key difference. Claimed, visible to any Onside user. Unclaimed, only visible to your own staff in that team that you've set up. On the right here of the contact, you've also got the option of editing the contact or deleting them, which you can also do here. So I could select that and go edit, or select multiple and edit multiple contacts at the same time, or delete multiple at the same time. For unclaimed properties, you also have the option of sort of managing them in the interim, again, private to your team. So being able to add in all the information that would be visible on a managed property, but only making it so that your staff can see it. So adding in your own risks, or maybe there's something about this site that you want your staff to know. So those sorts of things, or emergency information for that site. So jumping into add property in the top right, it's going to ask for the property information for the contact. So pop in the contact information of the person that you'd be wanting to receive the notifications for when your staff check in. Name of the property, property type, and address. And then you can put down the boundary as well. So I'm going to jump to this random area. If you're in New Zealand, you have the option of LINZ titles. So I could click LINZ title and click, and it's going to grab the whole island because that's the title, which is Kapiti Island. I can also have the option of drawing it out. So drawing out the shape as I need it. I can then grab the white dots to then move them around and change the shape accordingly if I did need to make other changes to it. I have the option of adding a photo, and then at the bottom right, clicking add to then create it and add it to your visited properties list, ready for your staff to then check into. So that is visited properties. Thanks.